when I want to do a film, I was thinking hard where to land my thoughts. I come to a conclusion that okay, we'll start our journey with a travel story.
Independent films in India, if you ask me, first thing is that it's the new wave right now. We have to take acknowledgement of that first thing. There has been parallel cinema before, and the reach was different then. But with the internet and everything which has come over, it's become fairly DIY right now. It's not just the producers getting, but also the filmmaker himself, like Sandeep and other filmmakers that I've seen, who travel along with their films and try to inject the film at as many places as possible, be it venues, be it online distribution, be it DVDs, video on demand, and all these things.
The point is, right now, you guys are making a movie 2-on-2, which is, and we are in a good space in India now that we can raise funds. We can actually exhibit it to a huge audience of English-speaking Indian audience. For your information, my first movie, Love Ring Dil Free, and second movie, Ola Venki, both are also in English. That means people can read and understand. No? You don't need people to always speak English, but even those who understand English can also watch a movie, right? So there is definitely an audience out there, and if you can start early, the whole marketing process, and if you have a good enough script, which I'm sure it is. I know, knowing you guys, it's a good script.
The script crew of this film. This is a unique composition. The crew members are from a different portfolios. We have a screenplay analyst. He's expert in creating scenes for the sequences.
இந்த ஸ்கிரிப்ட் ஸ்க்ரீன்லேயோட ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1960s சொன்ன ஒரு தியரியை அடாப்ட் பண்ணி அதை பேஸை வச்சு அதை ஒரு ஸ்க்ரீன் பிளே ஸ்ட்ரக்சராக பண்ணிவிட்டு அதுக்குள்ளே என்னென்ன பண்ண முடியுமோ என்னென்ன விஷயங்கள் ஆட் பண்ண முடியுமோ அது ஸ்டஃப்ஸ் வி ஹேட்.
One guy is managing the cinematography of this film.
This is one very unique script because since I've been involved in the script making of this movie, the visual characteristics and aesthetics of this movie is particularly high, and we are trying to do some very unique and new things with cinematography in this movie. For example, we are trying to make infrared cinematography for a particular sequence, which I think would be the highlight of the visual concept.
The other member is from editor who is going to do the editing of this film.
Actually, I joined for the screenplay, but when we were doing the script, we got into so much of planning for editing, and we plan for editing in the script too. There is a specific content this protagonist will have an instinct within him, and to show that instinct, so we plan to use this specific jump cut. So it's too technical.
Tech guys is part of the script crew. This itself is one of the unique composition in terms of when compared to any films.
Currently, there are a lot of co-productions happening. The moment it becomes a co-production, it becomes two countries coming together and making a film. I'm talking about inter-country co-productions, not like two production houses. So when someone from Canada or the US or some European country comes across as a producer to co-produce the film, the scope automatically widens because they have their own networks through which they can promote and distribute these films, where they're taking interest in Indian films because right now they see that there is something coming out which is really stark and out there, which has not been happening for a while now.
It definitely is good time to be an independent filmmaker in India now, I would say. And it's all, if you're limiting yourself, your movie will be limited. But if you can think internationally, make a movie also with universal sensibilities and tastes, it'll reach out. But if it's, and also if it's a very rooted story, rooted stories always work internationally. Right? Yes. It doesn't have, when I mean universal sensibility, it doesn't have to be necessarily a story set in US or Russia or anywhere. It can be a rooted story, but with universal sensibilities.
I mean, Sandeep has been making a couple of films which have been really light-hearted films, but still it's getting distribution. He's going to go digital very soon. But when it comes to co-productions, when there are other countries involved in it, the entire line production in that wider markets.
The whole independent scene in India has really taken off in a big way, and even the West has started seeing India as a country which can produce something beyond Bollywood, right? So, because Peddlers, so many movies, Umrika, right? Lunchbox, whatnot. So, things have opened up now, and hence movies like a movie you're going to make, 212, right? 212, I'm quite happy that you're making it and you're keeping it in a universal space, and I'm looking forward to how it's going to turn out. And then when it comes out, I hope it will reach the heights of a Lunchbox and Peddlers, and all the best to you guys here. All the best to 212.
So this story connects the dots between unique things. So it connects mathematics and the philosophy, the fear factors and the spirituals, and it also connects the science in terms of oxygen and carbon dioxide.
I think independent cinema currently in India has opened out a lot of scope in terms of anyone can make a film and take it to a festival if he really believes in that, he or she really believes in that.
I think at every stage, script should be the mantra. I think script, and rest of it, will all fall into place if you can communicate to your audience. Movie is subjective. You might like my movie, you may not like my movie, because that's different. That's okay. But keep communicating the audience. You'll slowly build a small audience who will try to understand you as a person also, right? And then they'll understand even the subtle things you're doing in your movie.
இந்த கதை பேசிக்காக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு தனி மனுஷன் அவனோட ஃபியர்ஸை கான்கவர் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்காக நிறைய விஷயங்கள் செய்வோம். பட் இஸ் நாட் கான்கரிங் ஹிஸ் ஃபியர், இஸ் ஜஸ்ட் ட்ராவலிங் வித் ஃபியர், பட் ஹி தாட் தட் ஹி இஸ் கான்கரிங்.
It's an amazing fact that Sean Connery has actually approved and wants to be a part of the film, and that fact itself puts us in complete huge expectations of what the film is going to be, and I'm sure it will be awesome, and it will be something which will bring across an idea that you don't have to be in a structure to make independent filmmaking. I'm sure that you will thwart all preconceived notions and make a fantastic film. Looking forward to it.
This story is all about finding the fifth corner of the square.
5 அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு விஷயம் இது இருக்கும். 5 in the sense 5 elements of nature, அப்புறம் 5 senses of humor, இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய விஷயங்கள் blend பண்ணி they are given emotional stuffs.
The primary would be about 5 different colors for 5 stages of the story, which involves 5 different moods according to the script. The movie is quite rich in its script form, and I hope the same quality carries throughout the movie.
We're basically planning to do like 5 kinds of edit pattern according to the script, like denoting the 5 stages of the screenplay. So I hope we will do well.
Want to conquer his fear and live a life, but he enjoys the cheap drinks with these fears.
This sounds quite unique. So that is what the thing which excited us. As a first product, we try our level best to give the best outcome. That's it.